Okay, shutter delay using the camera. This is handy when you want to take a photo, but you want to be in the photo as well. So you set the camera up, prop it against something, your phone, and get everything ready, and then follow these directions. So it's the camera app that we're looking for. If you go to your home screen and you see tap on camera, then you'll see a little arrow pointing up at the top. So you tap on that little arrow, and then it opens up buttons or controls at the bottom. See, it's gone down, and then it opens up those buttons, the controls below. See, the up at the top, the arrow is now pointing down, which opens up these little controls. Shutter delay is the one that's all the way on the right, and of course, as always, it's always fun to explore the other items, learn a little bit, get in trouble, figure it out. It's a good way to learn. And then you have the shutter delay speed choice. You turn it off. The first one is 3 seconds, and the second one is 10 seconds. Sometimes people use 3 seconds to take a photo of something that might be a little less than steady, so you can kind of have it shoot and offer maybe a more still photo. Anyway, fun, huh? So rewind, learn, and share with others.